working right to left, and we're going to draw a circle to return to the other side. Hold the ball, and we're going to push and pull to the corner. Circle. Start turning with the die my channel. Spin the ball about on the diagonal axis till you can turn and push pull and strike. Circle 1 with the index finger. 2, gather the ball, turning a foot in, and then turn the whole body and shift the weight with the die my. Adjust the feet, push, pull. Circle with the index finger, gather the ball, turn like you're going to needle to the bottom of the C, but stay up and push, pull. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.